Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to complete the Garden of Endless Pillars. This guide will help you navigate the ancient ruins and solve its intricate puzzles. We'll cover the elemental monument mechanics and the precise activation sequence. By the end, you'll confidently unlock the valuable rewards waiting for you. Get ready to master this challenging domain with ease and efficiency. The core of the Garden of Endless Pillars lies in its elemental monument puzzle. Each of the 7 pillars displays a unique glowing rune, indicating its required elemental activation. You must strike each pillar with the corresponding element, such as Dendro for a green glow or Pyro for a red one. Activating them in the wrong order will reset your progress, so precision is key to success here. To successfully complete the Garden of Endless Pillars, a clear strategy is essential. Begin by identifying the single glowing pillar, which marks your starting point. After activating it, observe which adjacent pillar glows next, guiding your sequence. A bow user can be incredibly helpful for precise elemental applications from a distance. Remember, patience and careful observation are your best tools for solving this ancient riddle. Upon successfully activating all 7 elemental pillars in the correct order, a magnificent, luxurious chest will appear in the center. This chest is filled with valuable rewards, including rare artifacts, thousands of mora, and other essential resources for your journey. Furthermore, completing this intricate puzzle grants you a special achievement, adding to your in-game accomplishments. Enjoy the satisfaction of mastering this ancient challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.